Hey booze, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shinta Brown, and today we are going to be talking about my closet. I've been gone because so many things has gone on in this house. We've been doing a lot of updates, renovations around the house, including my backyard, hint, hint, a pool. Yes. The reason why I'm here today is to show you my closet. A lot of you had some questions, and one person asked for a long form video on my before and after and the whole process. So let's get into it. So to be honest with you, when we did a lot of the house hunting, we were looking for closets that had a his or hers, and a lot of the homes that we saw had a combined closet, right? So what attracted me to this home was the fact that there was a his and hers closet. Now his is relatively smaller than hers, but this is a actual closet that I've been blessed enough to put some of these organization systems in here. When we moved in here, the builder had some kind of like racks, I want to say, and shoe slots, and I guess some handbag slots and things like that in the closet. And I thought that was really interesting. I thought it was really good, but there weren't any drawers, right? So I kept going back and forth in my mind. Should I just add drawers to the bottom? I didn't know what to do. So I decided to stay in this closet for about a year to really figure out what I need in this closet, to really get a feel of what I wanted in this closet. And then I started to think about IKEA, because I did used to do IKEA closets in the past. When I was renting and things like that, I would do IKEA closet systems. I've also done another company as well, but they were more of like the floating type of systems, and I really didn't care for that too much. This time, a friend of mine who is also my neighbor, I was able to, see her closet, and I saw that she did the drawers. Shout out to you, Belinda, if you're watching. She had the drawers in her closet, and I assumed that her whole closet was like fully custom, but it wasn't. She just customized the drawers to fit what the builder had put in. And I really liked that idea, and it was also cost efficient. But I knew that I wanted to add lights and all of these things. So I went ahead and asked this custom cabinetry guy if he could do a hill closet for me and like how much he would charge me. I compared the price to what I would have been paying for in IKEA, and I thought his price was actually really reasonable. I was actually really shocked because previously I had a custom closet company come out to give me a quote, and they were in nearly almost the 40s, okay? For a closet. And that time my closet wasn't even this size. I think it was a combination of a his and hers. So it was a shared closet. It wasn't like two separate closets. Now, if it was two separate closets, I'm really wondering how much they would have charged. Okay, because nobody got $40,000 for a stupid closet, period. But this guy was very reasonable, and I would just say he was under 10K. Okay. But I had him do a lot of other things in the house, because we all know that I do dabble into interior design. And like I said, we had a lot of renovation going on in the home, and that's why I disappeared. So I had him do a lot of different areas other than my closet. And I would say all of it came out to $8,000. Yes. So that's still relatively cheaper than what the custom closet people would have charged me for the whole house. I think it would have been ridiculous, but yes. So $8,000. Now, do I really want to break down how much I cost? Let me know. I can do that in another video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the breakdown of the cost from the custom guy, especially if you're here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Maybe you're looking for somebody, or maybe you need an interior designer to help you, navigate and design your closet. Reach out to me. I knew I wanted a slot for my hats. I knew I wanted A lot of hanging space. I knew I wanted like a cabinet with some doors, right, for my dresses, because I feel like the dresses can get a little ugly and I just kind of want to just stuff them in there and just hide them, right? Whereas everything else I can kind of like tame, right? So behind me, you can see I have my tops here and then I have my bottom. I knew that I needed drawers because I have a lot of accessories and I can't stand having them all over the place, and my sunglasses and things like that. So I created drawers for my my Parisian looking hats, my little accessories, like these little things. I have my bells and stuff like that in here. So just to really organize my life, I made sure that every frame had a drawer. Okay, so you'll see like a ton of drawers in here, and then I also had like my deep drawers for my workout clothes, my nightgown, my underwears, my everything has a drawer. And I love that for me because I was really getting sick and tired of my clothes being on the floor. All my jeans are hung up and everything, so everything is just pretty organized. My bags have a slot, my hats. And one thing I loved is adding the mannequin heads to my hats and then putting them up in that slots there. I think that was a really cool feature, and I'm glad that I thought of that. My bags, like I said, have a place. My boots have a place. Everything has its place. My perfume station. I hung up my scarves like this because I thought they would be really cute, laid out like this. And then I put my perfumes here so that I can give my sink area some breathing space, because I really had a lot of things sitting on top of like my vanity at the sink in front of the mirror in the bathroom. And I didn't really like that look. I want like a clean aesthetic so that when I am doing some type of recording or some type of brand thing, I don't have so many distractions on the side. After speaking to the guy about the closet and what I wanted inside, I decided to, go ahead and design it myself. So I gave him a sketch, I gave him a plan, and I showed him exactly what I was talking about. So he has a visual idea of what I want. He came in, he took some measurements. They tore everything out of here that the builder had. And after that, I had an electrician come in, and the electrician came in. He came and did some pre-wiring around. I also had to tell him what I was going for. I also had to let the closet guy know that, hey, I want to put lights in my closet. I want lights in the corners and things like that. So when he does it, he'll be able to frame it out to hide the LED lighting correctly for me. So they did that. After the pre-wiring, then came in the shelves. Once the shelves were placed, they came in unpainted. So we had to get a painter to come in and paint everything. And after that, that is when the electrician came back to put all the lights in. Okay. So the process really took about, I would say it would have been like 2 days or 1 day, but I think it took about 3 days. It took 2 days, right? One of the modules couldn't fit in here, and I knew that I wanted a corner thing, which I think he misunderstood me and didn't look at my picture. Okay. But yeah, we ended up putting my little module, the small one for my handbags, in the center of the shoes. So my shoes, my handbags are all on the back wall, and my clothes and drawers and stuff are on the sides, which leaves me a lot of space in the center. And I love that for me. One thing I would say, IKEA's one is more flat in the front and it's more wide, I would say. Whereas this one is more smaller modules, but very deep. So it's good that I have everything in the back wall, like flat and wide for my shoes and my handbags. And then the deepness of the drawers and this type of module is like coming out. So that way my dresses have more depth and my hangers and stuff are not sticking out like how it would if I had an IKEA. Those are the differences that I've noticed. And then what else? Yeah, so after the painting came in the electrician. The electrician came to do their part. And then after that, it was all about organizing my closet and what I wanted. I actually wanted to put a vanity, a makeup vanity in here. I was thinking this side, but unfortunately, because the door is here, I wasn't able to put any vanity here, but I do have a mirror here that I got from Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link everything that I got in this closet down below. So go and check that out. I do have an Amazon storefront, so go ahead and support your girl because I do upload things there weekly. But yeah, I love this mirror. It is black, so it is the splash of color that I needed in this room because everything is white. Now, let's do the grand tour. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this was detailed enough for you. And if you want more videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you need any help with your next interior design project or you have any other questions or want to see more videos just like this. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.